In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a Flutter package, Connectivity Plus, which we can use to determine whether the user is connected to a mobile network or connected to Wi-Fi. This is the simple app we are going to build today, where we have simply this button where we click on it to check the status. And as you can see in this case, the simulator is connected to a Wi-Fi network. As you can see here, it's connected to Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, in a simulator, you can't turn off the Wi-Fi here, so you should definitely test this on a real device. Let's get started. As mentioned, we are going to use the Flutter package Connectivity Plus. Just click on here to copy it to a clipboard. Then in your pubspec.yaml file, underneath your dependencies, just paste it in here and run pubget. That's all we need to do for the setup. Now concerning the app itself, I simply build a very simple Flutter app where we have a scaffold. The scaffold has an app bar and the body has simply a column with an elevated button, a sized box and a text widget. Then of course, make sure to import the package. I also defined a global string called connection status where we're gonna save into the current status of the network connection or the Wi-Fi connection. And in our app, we're gonna display this connection status string. And when we press on the check status button, I wrote a custom function called check status. Make sure this is asynchronous since we have to wait to get the connection status. You can simply then use our Flutter package. It's called connectivity. Then basically you make an object of it and then call check connectivity. This is gonna give us a connectivity result. Now this result we can either check if this equals to connectivity result.mobile. So this means we are connected to a mobile network. In this case, I'm printing it out and also overriding our connection status string and setting the state so that our UI gets updated. Otherwise, if the connectivity result is Wi-Fi, then we simply print out it's connected to Wi-Fi and also update our connection status string. So once again, when we press on this, we get this result here. Now, if you want to continuously listen to connection status updates, I'm going to show you how to do this. So basically we need a stream subscription. I call it simply subscription. I made this a late variable since we're going to initialize this within the init state function. And here we use again the connectivity package and then we call onConnectivityChanged.listen and then we get the result as parameter, and then whenever the connection status changes you can call your custom code in here. And one last thing to mention is within your dispose function, don't forget to cancel your subscription. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below in the comments, and thank you for watching.